Ye free nyame mo me TS street na so. Because we fear ni papa, we enchen. She's part of us. Our Hits FM. Beautiful people introducing Debby Sway.
Oh, thank you.
Wow, what drop action?
Oh, me that's it, pa.
Me I come try na so socks.
Me school girl socks no.
And also ka brand no.
Aye, no so ka brand no.
I say they be a who asha socks.
Aye, some yeah Debby.
Okay.
Yeah Debby, but me was some outer look be a meta you see.
Okay.
Yeah, just something intriguing and something different. Ka cry to be a neighbor she heels. What you say?
I love that. But how many years have you been in the industry, Debby?
So I started music in 2021.
2021.
I mean 2025, so like 4 to 5 years in. But then I was not very consistent because me find it very serious. Now me yet just to learn, just to build on my craft. But now me too professionally because now me go school. So come home. But you see, I may school in it. What I say.
And you man so.
I saw.
School there, full pap him.
Exactly.
What am I? And this one title no.
Searching. Your friend is searching.
That's your first single.
Yeah,
2025.
This year. Yes.
Right. And industry.
Yeah. So far, I mean, everybody loves it. They love it. And I want to say, we are in a season and for show model like people are searching.
I was searching.
Oh, me search you. Me searching. Me a single and searching, actively searching. What I say.
What's the inspiration behind the song?
So the inspiration behind the song is I just looked at my life and then I felt like no, I'm searching for something deeper. But then it be I'm going to make sure you know, and you'll be on a bit to me resonating. But usually Obia Shishodo. Obia, that's the ultimate goal to Obia Shishodo. And see, I just sat down and then wrote something about, you know, what we are finding, what we want to find, the things we are not happy about in our lives, but ye pe bibi fufo, ye pe odo fufo bia, what they say, yeah.
Odo fufo. Eti sa no o de be call this steez na sa na say obey versatile ka ka be system ana o steez on say Jackie ni steez na ko say and so no what they start to say no say ya na dey ko.
Oh Debby, me a versatile artist. I'm a rapper as well.
Hey.
Yeah, what do you say?
Debby kwa bi mo hwe beat.
Aye, mo hwe beat
mommy. Na mo hwe beat o me quick a bars.
Exactly.
Me na be say me a rapper.
Oh wow.
Oh yeah.
Then
me hu say me calling. Ko me ko share studio once and me spit no na papa ne pamo me say pie na we nya wadwuma.
One try me feature.
What's alive?
You're about to reignite it.
I see. Two rapper can
Yeah, me rapper can actually I started as a rapper.
Right.
Yeah, I started as a rapper. Although I was singing at weddings and stuff, but me started professionally as a rapper. Now me call rap battles near there with Takrade. My tardy people, what's up? I know they're watching me right now. So yeah, I started going for rap battles and I made a call mentor as a rapper as well.
Wow.
So yeah, that's how my whole career evolved. And most of my best I'll see.
Say what?
Say what?
Okay, I'm getting it.
Yeah.
And this tune, all the guitar platforms.
Yes, exactly. It's on all platforms. It's on Apple Music. It's on Spotify, Audio Mac. In fact, any platform at all. And you can use the sound on TikTok. You can use it on Snapchat. Everywhere. It's everywhere. It's everywhere.
So what type it Debby Sway.
Searching.
Yes, searching. So
Debby Sway is so and usual Derby, no. Debby, Debby.
Okay.
Just Debby. And that's Sway.
Sway. Yeah. Didn't show me. Debby to a bit way. Quick A-bars. Copy P. All right. You ready to do something for me?
Yeah.
Okay, people.
Hey.
Introducing to you Debby to the Sway. All right, quick A-bars.
Hey, me say, what from Debby Sway? And I sway, you like Debby from insane. I'm your queen, let this rain, bust a hot. For your flames, girls they claim, they ain't wipe them clean. Cause if you're around by the other clown, focus on doing your best, prepare to go down. Say, ebe ya, ibi you na on ya, if you're not with you, then you call them a ground. Whoa, hey, I've been one enough because I wanna. She the enemy, a freedom of your queen of the fancy game, my head, kick violence, me on, and I'm just not rappers now. Oh, yeah, hey, hey, hard bad. So your Debby, you lie bad. My de annual, if you try cut, I am the missing ingredient. I make you cry, son. If you stepping up to me, you better try die hard. Well acclaimed, I am the game. My years in the John McClane. Get on my face. Yeah.
Lego.
Yeah.
Part shoes open, let's go.
If you hear come on in the map Ghana, my who Fentino, or friend Malika, na school into my best share hot day. Oh, yeah, Debby swag, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, I don't TV. Charlie girl, me was steez or swag or pin energy. No two ways about that. Back to the guy as a Lucia Mucha bits in the soul. No lie.
Oh, you're good.
Sir? So be feature me.
Yeah, I make
homework. Wow, Debby, you good.
Thank you.
Probably people months, my girl. My social media handles are at home anytime we release a baby. Hey, I feel about Kwaneka say face of Adom TV.
Wow.
Dr. T. Was all Kokasahari Comeda girls.
Me comeda on now.
It's very rooty for you.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank
man,
you. Thank you so much.
Yeah, man.
Okay. So my socials are on Snapchat, Obetimi and me or Debby_sway.
Okay.
And on Instagram is Debby Sway, the usual Debby Sway, but then Adom, there's no space in between. And on X it is O_Debby Sway. Okay. And on TikTok is the same, it's Debby_sway. It's, you know, these are how you can reach me and then, you know, follow my journey, follow my music. And I'll be glad say, you know, you listen to me actively because me bangers be breba this year. So yeah. Right.
Debby, that's if you say, I say, I'm going to feel it. You're fans near more. It was good having you here.
Thank you.
Anytime, any day. You are very ambitious and I love that. Of course, you have the bad girl look and I'm saying, yeah, that's it for the industry. You know what I'm saying?
I know.
Enjoy your holiday, baby girl.
Thank you.
I was saying, Debby Sway, no, yes, and then you're going to enjoy how to do a quick crochet bag. Maybe I see.